Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we have got an exciting topic to explore, how to view old Instagram profile pictures. So keep watching to fantastic tips and tricks. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your device. Next move is to visit stera.com. Simply type stera.com into the address bar and hit enter on your keyboard. Then, tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type how to view old Instagram profile picture and then hit the search button. So, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the article titled How to View Old Instagram Profile Picture. When you've found it, tap on the article to open it. Once you click on the article, you will be redirected to the Old Instagram Profile Picture Viewer tool. Now, scroll down the page until you find the tool. You'll typically see a text fields. Enter your Instagram username into the designated field and then click on the Submit button. Now let the magic unfold as the tool works its wonders. In just about 20 seconds, you will have access to their old Instagram profile pictures. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.